Alright, so this is the box that I just received. Let's see how this is packaged. So it's got a layer of paper on the top, on the bottom. The pour. So this is pre-mixed pouring paint kit. It's in a plastic bag so that if it has a problem in the mailing process, it doesn't leak out all over things. Shake well before use. 4 paints, 4 fluid ounces each. And these are in the Tidal Wave colors. Let's see, I think that's a tab, so yeah, there we go. So there's 4 different related colors in here. So we've got wave, sky, sage, and ocean. So I mean, color names are a little unusual, but that's okay. And the font that they use for the color names, I mean, as much as I love script, that's a particular script that makes it reasonably hard to read. And that's all the information that's on it. So it just says pre-mixed pouring paint. The same thing in other languages, and the same thing, the color, and in a couple other languages. 4 fluid ounces from Color Pour. So if you want to try acrylic pouring without having to do any sort of mixing or other kinds of stuff, these guys are a full ready to use set. And at 4 ounces, it's enough for small projects. You might want to get larger containers if you are doing a larger project. So the next step is to give these a try.